Hello, we are in Howth, Ireland. We are so excited to be here. We are right behind us is a lighthouse, and as you know, lighthouses, well, in our hearts, they spark hope. So we want to bring you today hope from Howth in Ireland. And I believe that this is a season that it's time to unlock hidden things within our heart, within our soul. It's a time for divine potentials within us to be unlocked. It is the season of Pentecost, and at the season of Pentecost, the Holy Spirit was poured out upon all flesh so that all flesh would dream dreams, they would prophesy, and they would have visions. And it's a season that our heart would be enlightened to have fresh vision, fresh dreams from the Holy Spirit. And therefore, you will declare blessings and hope and faith and love. And that's what we're doing today, from our heart to your heart. And Ephesians 5:9 says, "For the fruit of light causes every form of godliness." So light produces something. And as you look at this lighthouse in the back of me, may your heart connect with a fresh dream, a fresh vision, and really a fresh blessing for you. We've been on a tour, and our tour guide had, I believe, a very interesting saying he just came up with. Let the freedom of light enter your soul. And that is what we're here today to declare to you. Let the light and the love of God enter your soul so that you be the brightest shining light in your circumstance that you can be. And blessings to you from Howth, Ireland. We are thrilled to be here. And at this time, you're going to see my other half, Ken, come to the scene. Blessings.
You can see over my left shoulder one of the lighthouses on this beautiful lighthouse of this beautiful island. And you're aware by now that we pick lighthouses purposely to make these videos. We had picked one not too far back in time on Belize, the island, but this is our first transatlantic trip to beautiful Ireland. And this part of Ireland itself is very beautiful, very attractive, worth the effort to come and see and to visit. But again, we relate to the lighthouse. We relate to light and hope. A lighthouse is designed to guide a traveler to his destination, that he not be accosted by interference of any form, such as hidden rocks or hidden reefs. And I want to just relate this idea before we close this video, that the desire of your soul is a light that God placed there in your spirit to guide you to the purpose and destiny of your life. And when we realize that desire coming out of our spirit is the key to our true destination, then we understand it is the love of the Father that shines into our heart through the Holy Spirit to help us find our unique course. Keep this in mind. We all have a unique course to follow, and the soul itself is unique. We all are spirit from God, who created our spirit. That is our divine connection. But our soul is our personal divine connection. That's where our true self comes to light. And our prayer for you today is, whatever your desire in your heart may be, trust the Holy Spirit to guide you to reach your destination, not only safely, but joyfully, to fulfill purpose, to keep that purpose in your life. May the grace of God be with you today and watch over you until we meet again. God bless.